My name is Prasad. Today, my team and I are going to present about a new technology in telecommunication industry. The technology that we choose to present is 5G technology. In this video, we will explain about introduction to 5G, understanding 5G technology, features and functions of 5G technology, challenges and limitations, advantages of 5G, and conclusion. First, we need to know what is 5G technology. 5G technology is the most recent version of mobile network standards, also known as 5th generation wireless technology. 5G technology replaced 4G and 5G built to offer increased capacity, reduced latency, and quicker data transfer rates than previous version. The key features that included in 5G is higher data speed, lower latency, increased network capacity, improved reliability, enhanced spectrum usage, and support for diverse applications. There's no specific creator or developer for 5G. The creation of 5G technology is a team effort of numerous organizations, business leaders, and standard bodies. Organizations that contribute in 5G is International Telecommunication Union, Third Generation Partnership Project, telecommunication equipment manufacturers, and network operators. In understanding of 5G technology, we're going to see the technical aspect of 5G, timeline of 5G development, and budget for 5G development. The technical components of 5G technology include a number of significant innovations and features that differentiate it from earlier generations. Frequency bands, millimeter wave, massive MIMO, multiple input, multiple output, beamforming, low latency, and advanced modulation techniques are some of the technical aspects of 5G. From here on, my teammate Ashindra Nair will continue the presentation.
Now let's look at timeline of 5G development. Everything was started 2010 until 2012. Early research and pre-standardization. Researchers and industry experts began exploring the possibilities of 5G technology, conducting early studies and experiments. Initial discussions and pre-standardization efforts took place during this period. Next, 2013, formation of 5G research groups. Research groups and organizations dedicated to 5G development were formed, including effort by academia, industry, and standardization bodies. Then on 2015, ITU defines 5G requirements. The International Telecommunication Union, ITU, identified key performance requirements and potential frequency bands for 5G technology. On 2016, 3GPP released 5G new radio NR specifications. The third generation partnership project 3GPP released the first set of 5G new radio NR specifications in release 15, establishing the foundation for 5G standards. Then on 2018, commercial 5G deployments began. The first commercial 5G network were launched in select cities around the world. Initial deployments focused on enhanced mobile broadband (eMBB) services. Next on 2019, expanding 5G deployments and standard evolution. 5G deployments expanded to more regions with increased emphasis on network infrastructure and device availability. 3GPP continued to release updates and enhancements to 5G standards, including Release 16. On 2020, wider 5G adoption and diverse use cases. 5G adoption continued to grow globally, with more operators launching commercial networks. The focus expanded to diverse use cases, including industrial applications, Internet of Things, IoT, and mission-critical services. Then on 2021, continued evolution and interoperability. 3GPP released further updates to 5G standards, including Release 17, introducing additional features and improvements. Efforts were made to enhance interoperability and compatibility between different 5G networks and devices. Finally, on 2022 onwards, ongoing development and beyond, 5G technology continued to evolve with ongoing efforts to enhance performance, reliability, and efficiency. Also, research and development for future generations of wireless technology, often referred to as 6G, began gaining attention. Now let's talk about budget. It is challenging to estimate the overall cost of building and deploying 5G networks worldwide for number of reasons. To give you an idea of the overall amount of money involved, projections for the worldwide investment in 5G infrastructure, which includes spectrum auctions, research and development, and network deployment, have been put in the hundreds of billions of dollars. Here are some aspects influencing the overall budget for 5G development. First, infrastructure deployment, then spectrum auctions, next, research and development, then testing and trials, then international collaboration, next, device ecosystem, and operational costs.
Hello all, I'm Krisha and I'm going to talk about the features and functions of 5G technology. Let's compare between 4G and 5G. In the realm of latency, 4G remained around 60 to 98 milliseconds, but 5G steps in with lightning speed showing off less than 2 milliseconds. When it comes to download speeds, 4G hit 1 GB per second, but 5G skyrockets to a potential 20 GB per second. Now the game changer is base stations. 4G relied on towering cell structure, while 5G introduces small cells, paving the way for greater flexibility and coverage. And lastly, the dream of cell density. In the 4G era, we aimed for 200 to 400 users per cell. With 5G, we are talking 100-fold increase, redefining what's possible in our connected world. Now, let's look at the network slicing. Network slicing have each slice function as an independent end-to-end network with its own dedicated resources, services, and management. First and foremost, we have customization. Network slicing enables network operators to customize services and resource allocation to the unique requirements of different applications and users. As for efficiency redefined, by optimizing resource allocation and network functions for each slice, the efficiency greatly increases, resulting in a significant reduction in operational costs and a more effective use of the network infrastructure. Next, endless possibilities. Network slicing opens up exciting opportunities. The possibilities truly seems limitless, ranging from the development of the intelligent urban centers and self-driving cars to the empire of virtual reality. Lastly, the improved quality of service. By utilizing network slicing, each slice is given the necessary attention to guarantee optimal performances. This results in advanced quality of service, minimized latency, and a seamless user experience.
Challenges for 5G network implementation is frequency band and spectrum availability issues. Brand new use cases will arise after 5G technology implementation is done on a large scale. This will create a demand for high frequency bands. However, spectrum is a critical resource due to its cost and availability. This might lead to higher operational costs to offer top-notch 5G services with a limited spectrum range. Besides that, expenses management involved in 5G network deployment. 5G implementation is not an easy feat to achieve. High costs are involved in every 5G technology implementation step and are challenging for most communication service providers. Stage-wise investment can save money, and choosing the right vendors will greatly affect successful 5G network implementation. Lastly, 5G network deployment challenges with security and privacy concerns.
Although 5G will be at the forefront of bringing innovations to the business ecosystem, there are still things like security and privacy issues to worry about. Regarding customer service, privacy concerns like identity, personal data, and geolocation tracking must be considered while designing security protocols. 5G implementation will always encounter certain bottlenecks from time to time, but with proper planning and real-time countermeasures, communication service providers can roll out 5G with relative ease and users can enjoy the services without any hassles.
Hi, I'm Unita here. So now I will be talking about how can 5G contribute to our society. 5G can contribute our society by innovation and economic growth. Innovations can reduce production cost and making goods. Next, faster internet speeds. 5G internet speeds can reach up to 1000 Mbps. Depending on the plan, low latency, it supports a 100x increase in traffic capacity and network efficiency. Lastly, enhanced connectivity. The most immediate impact of 5G is faster and more reliable mobile connectivity. Advantages of IoT. Greater network capacity to support large numbers of IoT devices. 5G is designed to be highly scalable. Next, it can improve reliability compared to previous generations of mobile networks. Low latency. 5G networks offer lower latency. Other than that, it can increase speed and low latency for real-time communication. With 5G, data transfer speeds will increase well. Lastly, can improve coverage including support for low power IoT devices in remote locations. Extended coverage range. Now, I will tell about advantages of economy. It can increase productivity according to a study done by Nokia's Bell Labs Consulting. Second advantage is industry innovation. 5G provides a platform for innovation across industries. Third is international competitiveness, attracting foreign investment and fostering international trade relationships. Fourth is innovation and new business models. 5G facilitates the development of innovative products and services. Last advantage is global connectivity. This connectivity supports international trade and also collaboration. That's it. Thank you. Here is a brief explanation about what 5G technology. 5G technology represents an entire leap forward in wireless communication. Review the possibilities of connectivity and paving the way for a transformative future. With its remarkable speed, ultra low latency, and massive connectivity, 5G has the potential to transform industries, empower individuals, bridge the digital divide, and drive sustainable development. As 5G networks continue to be deployed globally, we stand on the cusp of a connected era where the boundaries of innovation and human potential are pushed even further. Thank you.